What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the Shoutout, guys. I promised you we had a little bit of a surprise for Project Two-Tone, and it's been kind of hard keeping it a secret, but it's time. Michael Johnson, what's happening, buddy?
What's happening, brother?
Guys, this is Michael Johnson, 417 Fox. Been a great friend for several years now. Been at Ford Takeover.
Yeah. I've told people many times I attribute to you and Kate, and Nakia and Caleb.
Brutal, yeah.
Every time I talk about it, is like those two guys are the ones that influence me. They're like, man, do it. If you're going to do it, just do it. And that's what I did, and here we are.
So, why is he here? Well, because if you guys aren't aware, and I'll drop a picture on the screen here. He has kind of championed the relocate the HVAC controls and move a double din radio up in the Fox body. So, and you're like, oh yeah, that's old news, whatever. Everybody's seen those. Everybody's got those.
Yeah.
He changed the game a little bit. And not only do we have it right here, but we have the very first one. And it's going in the giveaway car.
Yep, not just the very first one, but the very first one to ever be installed.
Yes.
So,
so it's almost prototype.
I hope it works.
Yeah,
it is a little bit of a prototype. I guess we'll see pretty soon, won't we?
So we're going to stop running our mouth, and we're about to show you. He's got the old design with him, so we're going to kind of compare it. And we're not reinventing the wheel here as far as the installation video. Go check out 417 Fox on YouTube. He's got the hardcore nuts and bolts installation, but we're going to install the new kit, compare the old kit to the new kit, and get it in two-tone and let you check it out real time. Let's go. All right, guys, so we're not going to show you that just yet. So the original kit is right here. And again, moves your HVAC controls down and then puts your, gives you good space for a double din up here. The old kit, you had the 4 screw holes, you had to mount it, and then and there's also this plate. So while it looked great,
yeah.
Very, very cool upgrade. You took it a little farther.
Took it just a little bit farther. Took a lot of feedback also from the community, and I don't think anybody ever had a lot of complaints about it. It's like, hey, if you wanted to improve it. So I took that feedback, which I get a lot of, and said, okay, let's do it. Let's try it. Can it work?
Do it a little better. And I got to give Ken and Sean, Blue Oval Media, a little hell right now. He thinks he's got the exclusive because he's got the carbon fiber on his. Watch this, baby. First ever, right here. No holes, perfectly flush. Perfectly smooth. Yeah. And of course the rest of the kit is these brackets. Now does the kit come with these as well? Those would go with this
piece here.
Ah, okay.
So that would be what you would hold the radio with on the original like Metra install kit. So
Gotcha.
if you put a double din already in your Fox body, you've already bought this right here. That's what you would have bought with these pieces.
So the new kit consists of this plate, these brackets, and
spacers and some miscellaneous fasteners,
hardwood. Yeah. So but yeah, guys, so we're about to put this in. We're not going to talk anymore. We're about to put this in, check it out, and yeah, so let's do it. You ready?
It's gonna be epic.
Yeah. All right, guys, busting in mid-install here. So modifying your HVAC unit. Now this is 90 to 93, so it's a little bit different than 889, but you're just going basically trimming down these sides.
Yeah, just trim down the edge, and of course this side you have to trim a little bit more because it's oblong shape, and you have to basically square that up when you trim it off, so that way when you bring it into your dash, this can sit flush to where your old radio used to mount.
Gotcha. And then also locating tabs on the rear.
Yep.
Boom. Again, not an install video, just a couple tips.
Just one of those minor modifications you need to make, but we're Fox Buddy guys. We like modifying stuff.
Exactly. If we can't modify it, we're bored,
That's
right?
right.
All right, shoot. All right, so we got everything trimmed down. So now what are we doing?
Right now what I'm going to do is just test fit this, just make sure it works. Make sure I did get it trimmed down on both sides enough. Of course, you can see remove those installation tabs off the back. And that's going to be in the approximate area we're going to put it. We will go ahead and measure before we drill our hose.
Gotcha.
But that's where it's going to sit, flush, just like that.
Boom. All right, so what's the next step?
Now we need to go ahead and measure, and we will get our holes put in here and get our holes pre-drilled. That way, if we're on the table, it's a lot easier to do that than in the car.
It can be in the car, guys. Measured. We just have it out for video purposes.
It's out for easy. And we'll put those couple of holes here. We'll have that part ready to go, and we'll transfer this thing over to the car and finish everything up.
Boom. Let's do it.
All right.
let's do some trimming. Yes, sir.
Dunsky.
Just about time to
Thank you, sir.
put us a dash kit in
I
there.
believe
isn't
we're
it?
about ready for that.
We are about ready.
I'm a little bit excited.
Yeah. Real quick note, guys. Depending on the radio and how you want it, if you want it to sit perfectly even flush with the bezel, or if you want it to stick out a little bit or even sunk back a little bit, you can see you can just move these brackets back and forth. They're slotted, so you can just move it back and forth and you can adjust it any way you want. And we're going to try and go just perfectly flush with the face of the bezel. But it's another good
Here's your.
good part. Yeah, let's show that.
So there's your side view
We're gonna
of
be
the way we're
perfectly-
choosing to do it.
Perfectly flush, but again, you can stick it out the way these are slotted. You can move it back, forward. I love it. All right, boys, test fire real quick before final install. Man, screen's really responsive. English demo off. Okay, for your safety,
Look at that.
bro. Fist bump.
Look at that.
That's
Boom.
really vibrant. Like I almost.
And we know the speakers work too.
Yes.
Hey,
I love
yeah,
it.
that's a good looking display. Really good looking display.
It's really crisp and it's really bright.
Can't wait to get the Apple CarPlay hooked up to it.
Yeah, hell, I'll
Let's see
hook my
what
phone up here.
You
in
got
a
an
minute.
iPhone cord, you can hook it in right now.
Yeah. All right, you ready? We're gonna show some Apple CarPlay, guys. Look at this. You know what's cool too is the texture mimics this really well, and it mimics like the e-brake and all that. Like it's not exact match, but it works. It has that OE look to it. So we're gonna do some Apple CarPlay now.
This would be the first time on camera. We've not even.
French Trucking has your stimulus.
All right, so how do we get the Apple? Oh, allow. All right, I'm allowing.
Stimulated yet? Then how about a $250 birthday bonus?
And I'm assuming the screen will.
Anniversary bonus.
I guess we'd probably need to go.
Mode.
Let's see here.
Overstimulated. French Trucking.
Ah, there it is. Woo-hoo-hoo, that looks great.
Their family pays very competitive.
Oh,
Music.
look at this, buddy.
Nearly 90% of their
Man, that's
It's
great.
pairing to my phone the first time, you know. But
Yeah, it's gonna take a second.
allowing Bosco the Basset Hound to keep you
Perfect.
If this
look at this.
Dude,
contact French Trucking.
this CarPlay is
At least
sick.
1 year of OTR
This is
experience.
amazing.
Pass a drug screen and have a good MVR. Call Vicky at French Trucking today at 731.
It's still pairing, you know.
Yeah. But yeah,
It
guys.
always
So,
takes it a minute.
now, if you've got an Android phone, this obviously it'll do the same thing. But if you got an iPhone, this is a
There we go. Oh, look, there's my playlist.
boom. Let's see real quick. We're not gonna get demonetized here, but look. I mean, guys, that's a win right there, dude. That's a win.
Pretty awesome, man.
So, whoever wins this car, you guys are gonna freaking love this. I'm telling you, this is amazing. All right, boys, one more quick look. One more quick look. So there you go, guys. Winner of two tones gonna be riding in style. That looks amazing. I'm blown away. So here's the thing, guys. Wanted a big shout out for Michael Johnson. Does 417 Fox. Michael, what is your website?
417fox.com.
417fox.com. He's got the dash kits. He's got hats, t-shirts, all kinds of stuff.
Like Dan with Neil Mustangs, he said, he's always joking when he says, Mike, he got the merch. He got that.
He's definitely got it. So again, check out 417 Fox. Get your dash kit. If you've got the current dash kit and they want to upgrade to the new style
Yes.
without the holes, how big of a deal is that?
It's pretty much a very easy switch because your location of where you put your HVAC at with the old kit is retrofit to the new kit. So
Boom.
you don't have to relocate that. If you do, it's not a big deal, but I made it to where it's the same. So other than just buying a new kit, and I'm going to offer, when I roll them out on the website here very soon, Anybody who's previously purchased my kit, I'm going to offer them a discount if they want to upgrade to this kit.
Boom. What do they got to do to get the discount?
They just need to shoot me an email, 417fox@gmail.com. I'll look up their previous order, and I'll shoot them a discount code.
Boom. So there you go, guys. A huge shout out again. Michael Johnson, Fish Bump.
Fist bump.
Yeah. We mess it up.
That was more of kind of a high five, like old school. You gotta come back and do the old, top five and high five, low five.
For sure. But guys, there you go. Project Two Tone is off to paint. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know.
Man, I can't wait to see this.
We have to get with Nick. Yeah. Off to paint. We still got some stuff to finish on the interior. But I tried to tell you guys that is I'm blown away. I gotta shut up and quit talking. If you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. I got the link down in the description for 417 Fox. And we'll catch you on the next one.